New this morning, Texas Governor Greg Abbott is cracking down on the fentanyl crisis. He wants to use state funding to make the overdose antidote Narcan more readily available. This comes as the governor recently declared the drug cartels as terrorist organizations for bringing these deadly drugs over the border. Joining us now to explain how this all is going down is Stephanie Haynes. She's live in Texas this morning. Good morning, Stephanie.
Hey, good morning, Mitch. This is part of the governor's new campaign called One Pill Kills, and he's going to communities across the state to try to warn as many people as possible how dangerous this drug fentanyl really is, especially rainbow fentanyl. That is fentanyl in pill form in bright colors designed to look like candy. So the CDC says that fentanyl is the #1 killer of adults ages 18 to 45 and says more than 75,000 people died of fentanyl-related overdoses between February 2021 and February 2022. The governor says fentanyl has killed close to 1,700 people in Texas last year. And so he announced that he wants Texas funding, state funding, to make Narcan, that's the antidote for overdoses, more readily available to law enforcement, hospitals, workplaces, schools, and beyond. He also wants a few new state laws. He wants to classify a fentanyl overdose as a poison instead of an overdose because he says there's so many people who take their medication and do not know that it is laced with this deadly drug fentanyl. He also wants to make it a murder charge if someone knowingly distributes a lethal dose. Last month, the governor declared cartels as terrorist organizations in part for bringing all of this fentanyl, most of this fentanyl, over the border. And in August, Customs and Border Patrol agents seized a record 2,200 pounds of it.
Texas Department of Public Safety alone has seized enough fentanyl to kill every man, woman, and child in the entire United States of America.
The governor is calling on President Biden to do the same, to declare these drug cartels as terrorist organizations. And because the governor is running for re-election here, I reached out to the campaign for Beto O'Rourke for a response. Have not heard back yet, Mitch.
All right, that's Stephanie Haynes. She's live for us this morning in Texas, tracking the latest on the fentanyl crisis. Stephanie, thank you. Thanks for watching. Go to NewsNationNow.com to find NewsNation in your cable lineup. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-based, unbiased coverage.